Did you know that you can strengthen your bones until about age 30? And one of the greatest ways to do that is by increasing your calcium intake. And there are some really great and easy ways to do that. One of life's greatest gifts is by adding cheese to different food items. And by adding cheese, you're boosting that calcium and therefore boosting your bone strength. And that way, later in life, if you step off the curb in the wrong way, then you won't break an ankle or you won't break your hip. And that's really important. If you have grandparents around you, you know the importance of bone strength. And you also will probably know the importance of strengthening your teeth, and that calcium from the cheese also helps with that. So just some examples, not that you need any, of adding cheese to your daily regimen. You could add cheese to broccoli. If you have a hard time with consuming enough vegetables, add a little bit of cheese to it. And the fats that are found in the cheese will actually help to absorb some of the vitamins and minerals that are found in those vegetables. Another great way is to add it to a black bean quesadilla or a taco bowl. So there are lots of delicious ways to enjoy cheese.